Mabuhay, Darwin here. In this video, I will giving away 3 Instructable premium code that you can use for 3 months. Because today is my first year in YouTube, so I'm glad to give this code for all the support. So let's get started.
Find me when the sun sets.
All the components that I use in this project are available in banggood.com. Banggood offers a various type of electronic component with low shipping fee cost. Check the link in description below.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Once again, thank you for the support. Please subscribe to be updated for my future projects. Salamat!